G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a stunning home, 283 on the Esplanade in Pialba with the beach just across the street. Let's go take a look around. This captivating residence delivers a flawless blend of indoor and outdoor living in a tightly held blue ribbon section of the Esplanade in Pialba, strolling distance to several nearby restaurants, cafes and Seafront Oval where you can enjoy different events as they are held throughout the year. The coveted north-south aspect of this contemporary haven offers enviable sea views with a flowing indoor-outdoor floor plan crafted for year-round entertaining. The quality and scale of this home is immediately apparent as you enter and take in those soaring high ceilings and statement staircase with feature pendant lighting. You are then naturally drawn to the vast open plan living and dining area which overlooks that beautiful sparkling in-ground pool with panoramic views towards the waterfront and beach. At the heart of the home is the wonderfully appointed kitchen, complete with beautiful stone bench tops and two-pat cabinetry along with an open style butler's pantry. Quality appliances include a freestanding electric oven with a 5-burner gas cooktop and range hood. And you've also got 2 separate sinks and 2 separate dishwashers. There is also a clever media station to accommodate all of today's electronic devices. You will feel as though you're on holidays every day as you open the elegant bifold doors which provide a seamless transition between the indoor living space and that fabulous north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area, complete with built-in natural gas barbecue overlooking the courtyard and that sparkling in-ground pool. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round, subtropical temperate climate while taking in the Esplanade lifestyle. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning which services the main living and dining areas. On the ground floor you have a bathroom with shower along with a separate powder room with vanity and toilet. The laundry is also located on the ground floor and offers ample bench and storage space and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. There is also a spacious guest's bedroom on the ground floor with a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning and a built-in wardrobe. This will be ideal for those with teenagers or extended family living with them, not to mention those long forgotten friends who are sure to arrive once they know you're living on the Esplanade in beautiful Hervey Bay. This resort-inspired home also includes a separate media room which could be used as a home office if preferred. Bedroom accommodation is ample with a further 3 bedrooms all located upstairs and featuring ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes, and one of these also includes split system reverse cycle air conditioning. The bathroom features a sumptuous freestanding bath, vanity, shower and a toilet. You will immediately notice the beautiful bamboo flooring which leads through to the main bedroom, which includes a resort style ceiling fan and a large walk-in wardrobe, as well as a lavish open plan ensuite with a sumptuous freestanding bath, double basin vanity, shower and a separate toilet. There is also a 3rd living area or parents' retreat with reverse cycle split system air conditioning which also services through to that main bedroom, along with a large resort style fan and a balcony where you can sit back and take in that expansive ocean view across the courtyard and pool. Vehicle accommodation includes a generous double garage with marine carpeted floor and an insulated remote roller door. You've also got a large concreted area to the rear that could accommodate an RV, caravan or boat. Those with pets will appreciate the fully fenced yard. And you've also got a remote sliding security gate to the front with an intercom. Homes of this calibre in this location are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.